Namaste students, coming back to the biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics lecture series on factors affecting absorption. Myself, Dr. Atul Phatak from Department of Pharmaceutics, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi. Now we are at the physico-chemical properties, how they affects absorption of a drug. Now, eighth physico-chemical property, after studying polymorphism, it is pseudopolymorphism or solvates and hydrates. Now, what is pseudopolymorphism? It is the phenomenon wherein a compound is obtained in crystalline forms that differ in the nature or stoichiometry of included solvent molecules. The solvate can exist in different crystalline form called as pseudopolymorphism. Pseudopolymorphism, it is a crystalline form only, but here the solvent molecules are entrapped in the substance during the crystallization and thus provides different physico-chemical characteristics to the substance. Let us understand what is pseudopolymorphism, what is polymorphism, what is amorphism. Depending upon the internal structure of a solid, it can exist either in crystalline form or non-crystalline amorphous form. When the substance is available in crystalline form, there are two possibilities. It is available in a polymorphic form like enantiotropic or monotropic form, or it is available in a molecular adduct form. In that again, non-stoichiometric complexes or pseudopolymorphism, that is stoichiometric complexes form. In this pseudopolymorphic form, there are two possibilities. Either the solvent used is an organic solvent, it forms organic solvates, or the solvent used is water, that is hydrates. Solvate, when a drug crystal incorporates in one or more molecules of the solvent during the crystallization, the resultant form is called as solvates. Hydrates, when this solvent is in association with the drug and that solvent is water, then it is called as hydrate. Drugs often associate with the water to form hydrates. For example, caffeine hydrate, theophylline hydrate, ampicillin monohydrate, ampicillin trihydrate, etc. Now, how does this solvates affect drug absorption? The increase in the bioavailability is observed since they dissolve faster than a solvate form in aqueous media. This is true regarding anhydrous form. Example is mercaptopurine. In anhydrous form, it dissolves more rapidly, twice as fast as a hydrate form in the aqueous medium. You can see in the graph the time versus amount of drug dissolved for the mercaptopurine drug in hydrate form and in anhydrate form. In the anhydrate form, as we can observe, the dissolution is faster. The anhydrous forms, why the dissolution is faster? This is due to the higher aqueous solubility in anhydrous form, as the hydrate is already in interaction with the water and has less thermodynamical energy state for further interaction with the water. The hydrate forms are more useful for certain formulation, especially for effervescent tablet form, though anhydrous form of the drug has greater aqueous solubility than hydrate form, but in the effervescent tablet form, the hydrate form is showing good results. This is because, again, the same reason, hydrates are already in interaction with the water, therefore have less energy for the crystal breakup in comparison with the anhydrous form. The anhydrous form is having high energy level molecule and thus shows rapid dissolution as compared to the hydrous form. Therefore, anhydrous form is preferred over the hydrate form in the formulation development. When the organic solvents are considered, the solvents are high energy forms and offer better dissolution. Example is succinyl sulfathiazole solvate of N-pentanol, which dissolves more rapidly than non-solvated drugs. Now, which are the solvents generally used in the solvate? Examples of the solvates are methanol, ethanol, 1-propanol, butanol, acetone, acetonitrile, diethyl ether, etc. Examples of the hydrates are Glauber salt, that is sodium sulfate decahydrate, washing soda, borax, barium chloride dihydrate, iron phosphate tetrahydrate, etc. Now, if we want to conclude or summarize solvents and hydrates or pseudopolymorphism, remember, anhydrates and solvents of organic solvents which are having high energy level molecules have rapid dissolution and absorption. So this is the significance or application of pseudopolymorphic form of a drug. So this is a physicochemical property affecting dissolution of a drug and thus affecting absorption of a drug. Thank you, students. Keep learning. Happy learning.